Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Produmex WMS 2026.6. In this version, we are introducing updates focused on improving warehouse efficiency and streamlining packing operations. The system now avoids creating picklist proposals when stock is not available in a pickable location, helping reduce unnecessary processing and improving picking accuracy. Let's take a closer look at the new setting in the picklist proposal generator. The new setting is avoid generation if stock is reserved but not in pickable locations. It extends the standard pickable location validation to reserved stock scenarios. When enabled, Produmex WMS checks whether reserved stock is located in pickable locations before generating a picklist proposal. This new setting helps prevent the creation of empty or unusable picklists when stock is only available in non-pickable locations, improving operational accuracy and warehouse efficiency. Now let's continue with our next topic. Time for take a closer look at the new consolidated packing functionality for serial and batch managed items. During mobile packing, the system can automatically consolidate equivalent picklist lines when identical items are combined on the same movable location or SSCC. After the user selects the packing line, movable location, customer, and item, the system groups all matching picklist lines together based on criteria such as item number, quality status, best before date, and compatible batch information. This allows users to add the total quantity in a single step and scan serial numbers in any order, regardless of the original picklist lines or batch groups. The system validates that all scanned serial numbers belong to the selected item and are available on the selected movable location or SSCC. The result is a faster, simpler packing process with reduced handling effort while maintaining full traceability and validation. Let's look at a few examples of how consolidated packing works in practice. In the first example, identical serial managed items are picked from multiple locations and moved onto the same movable location. The system automatically consolidates the matching picklist lines and proposes the total quantity to pack. Users can then scan any valid serial numbers in any order, without following the original picklist sequence. The second example highlights the behavior for batch-managed items with different best before dates. Items that share the same best before date can be processed together, while items with different best before dates or quality statuses must still be handled separately. This ensures operational flexibility while maintaining traceability and compliance rules. As a quick reminder of the modernization work happening behind the scenes, this phase focuses on translating the strategic direction into a concrete and executable architecture. Core architectural and functional decisions are defined and validated through a controlled proof of concept, establishing the foundation for the new API layer and future modernization efforts. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2026.10 to be released at the beginning of October 2026. This page contains some useful links and information on our brand new release. You can stay up to date by visiting the following sites for Produmex WMS related news and articles. This concludes our introduction to the 2026.6 version of Produmex WMS. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.